In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your email signature in Monday.com. If you want your outgoing messages to look professional and up to date, keeping your email signature current is a simple but important task. This is especially useful if your role, title, contact details, or preferred sign-off has changed. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can make the update with confidence. Start by opening Monday.com and signing into your account. Once you're inside the platform, look for your profile settings, admin settings, or CRM email settings, depending on how your workspace is configured. The exact location can vary slightly from one account to another, so take a moment to look through the settings area carefully. In most cases, you're looking for the section connected to email, communication, or personal profile preferences. When you find the correct area, look for the email signature or communication settings. This is the section where Monday.com stores the signature that may appear in your outgoing emails. Open that area so you can review the current signature before making any changes. It's a good idea to read through everything once before editing, just to make sure you know exactly what needs to be updated. Next, edit the signature details you want to change. This may include your name, your job title, your contact information, or your closing line. As you make these changes, keep the formatting clean and professional. Make sure the information is accurate and avoid including anything outdated. If your signature includes multiple lines, double check spacing and punctuation so it looks polished when recipients receive your emails. Once you've finished editing, save the signature. This step is important because if you navigate away before saving, your changes may not be applied. After saving, give the page a second to update fully so you can be sure the new version has been stored. If Monday.com gives you the option to send a test email, go ahead and use it. This is one of the easiest ways to verify that the signature appears the way you expect. When the test email arrives, open it and review the signature carefully. Confirm that the updated version appears correctly, that all details are displayed properly, and that the formatting looks consistent. If everything looks good, then your updated email signature is ready to use. Keeping this information current helps your communication stay clear, professional, and trustworthy every time you send an email from Monday.com.